In this video, we will verify the laws of combination of resistors by using meter bridge. This is the experimental setup where at the right gap resistance box is connected and at the left gap unknown resistor is connected. And for the first reading, 5 ohm resistor is being introduced in the right gap and the null point is obtained at the length 74.5 centimeter, which is at the side of unknown resistor. And the second reading, to find the value of R1, we have taken 10 ohm resistance from the resistance box and the null point is obtained at the length 57.5, that is at the side of unknown resistance, and 42.5 centimeter at the side of resistance box. Now to find the value of R2. The first reading, we have introduced 5 ohm resistance at the right gap and then obtain the zero reading in the galvanometer, that is the null point at the length 32 centimeter and 100 minus L 868 centimeter. Now for the second reading, to find the value of R2, 10 ohm resistance been taken out from the resistance box and the null point is obtained at the length 20 centimeter at the side of unknown resistor. Now these both resistors will be connected in series, and for the first reading we have introduced 5 ohm resistance at the right side and the null point is obtained 78 centimeter at the side of unknown resistance. For the second reading, to find the series combination value, we have introduced 10 ohm resistors at the side of at the right gap and we got the null point at 60 centimeter at unknown resistance side. Now both the resistors were connected into parallel, and for the first reading, to find their value, 5 ohm resistance been introduced at the right gap and the null point is obtained at L 28 centimeter. And the second reading, 10 ohm resistance is introduced at the right gap and the null point is found at 11 centimeter at the side of unknown resistance when the both are connected in parallel. Now all the readings for R1, R2 and series combination and parallel combination will be tabulated. This is the circuit diagram we have used in this experiment, and these are the observations we have taken in the experiment, where in the table all the readings are experimental and we will verify them with the theoretical value. First, for the series combination, the experimental the theoretical value is calculated 16.4 ohm and the theoretical value which is calculated by adding the value of R1 and R2 is 16.55, and the difference between them is 16.15 ohm. Similarly, for parallel combination, the theoretical value will be calculated with the formula R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, which is coming 2.1 ohm